Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Monday, Monday the, let's see, 10th of July to be exact. I'm going to the gym and I need to head out the door in just a few minutes, but I just wanted to kind of update you guys and just give a good start to this vlog. It's a summer holiday. I'm on 3 weeks vacation now with my little family, which I've been so excited about. I've just sent Morten and our girl outside of the house for a few hours. Yesterday I spent the entire day, just my girl and I. Morten was working on the deck, like our new terrace in the garden. So we had a really nice day out where we went to the beach and playground and just we watched a movie and just had such a nice blissful day. So today they're together for a couple of hours just this morning. So I'm gonna take advantage of that and go to the gym. I did also just reply to a bunch of emails this morning because when you're a business owner, you're never fully off work. Although I have put on automatic replies so people know that I'm a little bit slower in replying emails. So definitely trying to go offline a bit more. I just thought I wanted to make a vlog to just show you a couple of the things that we're up to during our summer holiday. We need to prep the house or like clean a little bit, wash some clothes, pack, because in 2 days we're going to Copenhagen for 10 days, which I'm so excited about. We have a lot of family that we're going to see and just we're gonna walk all over Copenhagen and just have a nice time there. A little bit unsure of the weather because it has started getting a little bit more unstable again, which is such a shame, but we'll have to bring an umbrella and some rain gear. But yeah, just wanted to quickly update you guys. And I need to head off because I'm riding my bike to the gym, so I need to go now. I'm all dressed up in my rain clothes. A little rain won't kill me, so I'm all good. Hi, Hanskin. You say Sina? We just got back from a little trip downtown and I am just about to, my skin is so annoying these days. I don't know what it is. It could just be that time of the month, but I get so many breakouts around my chin area. I've actually just purchased the Ren skincare, what's it called? Overnight Rescue Mask or something. I've been using Ren for a couple of months and my skin really seems to like it. So I'm quite excited to try out that mask and see if it can do something. But yeah, I'm about to wash some clothes. We just got home. Yeah, just about to tackle some laundry because I want to have most of our clothes clean and ready for when we leave to Copenhagen in a couple of days. So that's the plan. To those of you who say that our house and our home is always so tidy, not always, especially not during weekends and like holidays. This is what it looks like probably 90% of the time. So yeah, that's just how it is. Demo. Whoops. So it is now Wednesday morning and I just took my girl to the office because I need to place an order for some stock. Because I've got lots of clients after the summer holiday and I know that I've definitely ran out of some of the the color swatches here, so I need to place an order. And we're just hanging out. I need to water my plants as well so that they don't die while I'm away. So most of the people here are on vacation, so the entire building is pretty much empty. Yeah, and she's just found herself some crayons and some paper. Den mega flot! Det er din yndlingsfarve, ikke? I did all the washing yesterday, so today is just a really like practical day, and we're just gonna chill out as well. What do we do now, skat? We're back home. I'm just currently putting together a bit of lunch for us. We're just trying to kind of empty the fridge today. So I'm just making a quick pasta salad with, yeah, some different salad. Tomato, I've got the pasta cooking, I've got some pesto, some corn, a bit of grated cheese, random, but again, just trying to empty the fridge. Gonna eat some lunch now, and then I'm gonna start packing for tomorrow. I can see Morten's already started, so I think I'm just gonna eat and then I'll start packing my stuff for the trip. Right, so I am currently in the bedroom and I am gonna pack up my stuff for the trip. I did publish a video on my channel with the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 packing method, so in case you missed that video, I will link it here and down below for you, just so you can see the method that I'm using for packing and also have a closer look at the items that I'm bringing, because I'm actually bringing exactly what I laid out in that video. So yeah, basically it means that I have 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 pairs of shoes, 2 dresses, or one of them is actually a jumpsuit, but still technically a dress or like a one piece, and then 1 blazer. And then I have some extras like my loungewear, my PJs, underwear. Might bring a raincoat as well, because the weather is not, like the weather forecast, it's not looking great at the minute. It's actually just struck me actually that I think the last 3 vlogs I made, I've been packing to go somewhere. So yeah, here's another round of me packing for a trip. Okay, so this is currently the situation. I've got my 5 tops here, 4 bottoms, my dress and jumpsuit, so 2 dresses. Oh, in between that I've got my 3 pairs of shoes, so a pair of sneakers, a pair of sandals, and then a pair of dressier heels. I'm not 100% sure if I'll get to wear these. We are going to like a birthday family gathering on Saturday, so might wear these just because why not? Like with a pair of jeans, they're kind of cool. And then my blazer, so that's 1 jacket. And then as my extra pieces, I've got a fleece here. This is my Patagonia fleece, which I got as a birthday present back in May. I also have a bit of workout clothes here, and then my loungewear, which I will be traveling in tomorrow morning. Got myself a t-shirt dress, which is my pajama for the trip. And then a pair of extra, more comfy shoes that I can also use if we're going on long walks or if I'm gonna go to a gym or something like that. And then I have some hangers. I'm one of those people who love, like when I get to the destination, unpack everything, put it on hangers, so that I can steam things and have it properly ready for each day. And then my jewelry pouch, which I'll of course fill with some jewelry. I got some belts. This is the extra bag I'm bringing. I also bring in my black curated handbag, which is kind of similar, just so that I have something to switch between. And then 2 different straps for those bags, so I can kind of switch it up in between. So this is the process so far. I just made a swift decision to bring out another suitcase just for shoes. Morten has a pair of extra shoes as well, and then toiletries in this side of the bag, so that we have all of that and then that suitcase together. Bringing a backpack as well. I'm gonna put my tech stuff in there, my computer and stuff, my camera, and then this is our girls' suitcase. Good morning, it's 10 to 8 and we're ready to take off. We just packed the car and I'm wearing my pink secondhand sweatsuit, secondhand New Balance sneakers, and then just my curated handbag. I've just popped on some jewelry, done my hair, and we're ready to go. I don't think the weather could get any more Danish. We've got rain and sunshine, we've got a little bit of wind, we've got muggy, hot temperatures, all the good stuff. But we just found a playground and we're apartment sitting while we're here. I'm not sure if I already said that, but we're apartment sitting for my brother. They're going away on holiday next week, so we'll have a couple of days with them now. We're just waiting for them to get home from work, so we just found a playground nearby. I don't think we'll do much today, but we'll definitely go to Tivoli Gardens some of the days. I did ask you on Instagram for some tips for like budget friendly, maybe even free, like things you can do when you have a toddler. So I might share some of that. We'll definitely check some of it out and I'll let you know how we get on. One of the good things about having a toddler is that you can take the stroller with you and just shove all you need down under beneath it, rain clothes and everything you need for this kind of crazy weather. I haven't vlogged in a few days because we've just been together with family for the past few days. But today it's Sunday and it's a really nice and sunny day, and we're going to Tivoli Gardens today. So we packed up a lot of food and we're gonna spend the day there today. Really looking forward to it. It is a little bit pricey to go there, so that's why we thought we wanted to keep it a little bit more budget friendly and then bring our own food this time around, because just like the entrance tickets, and then you need a pass or like a wristband for actually trying the roller coasters and everything. So just a little side note, if you ever want to go there, definitely worth the visit, but just be aware that it's a little bit expensive. Så kommer vi lige på sightseeing.
Det må man da sige. Det har vi faktisk heller aldrig været inde at se, jo.
Har vi ikke?
Det tror jeg ikke sådan, hvad jeg kan huske.
Ej.
Så han der har en kold dukke ned i vandet.
So we decided to just go for a little walk, trying to get little girl to sleep before we head to Tivoli, but I'm not sure if it's going to be successful or not. It's quiet here today. I guess it's Sunday. Er vi klar? Yippie! Ej, det skulle jeg bare ikke prøve det der.
Jeg har prøvet det, mand.
Ja, det er vanvittigt.
Det er godt mange år.
Er du klar, skat? Nu kører de snart ned. Skal de helt op i toppen?
Hold da. Jeg ved ikke, langt tid jeg går. Jeg kan få ud med ham bare at kigge på det.
Ja.
Så den sidder fedt i det der herovre. Så det er den virkelig den, så det må han op og skrive om. Bare få det, når man kun er 105. Men det er fordi, der er en af dem. Det kan jeg ikke kende, det er G-musikkortet. Rasmus, Pingo, Skæg og Palle. Jeg bare
Godt, skat.
Ej, der er bare skum over her.
Coffee break. The little one is finally napping. And go. I like that they have reusable cups for almost everything, like from slush ice to coffee. It's a really rainy day today, at least it's a really rainy morning. It's almost 10 o'clock and we're just driving through the center of Copenhagen because we're meeting a relative for, I don't know, breakfast or just coffee, I'm not sure. Probably get something to eat at a cafe. And then hopefully after being there for some time, the rain will kind of disappear or stop. But we'll see. I think we're gonna take just a chill day today. Kind of chill because yeah, it was a bit much yesterday for a little one, I think. It was really nice in Tivoli, but it was hard for her to take it all in, I think, all of the days with traveling and all of the people we've been seeing and all of the experiences. So I think we're gonna try taking it a little bit more slow today. Yeah, you can't really do much else with this weather either. So definitely if you're ever in Denmark or if you're traveling to Copenhagen, remember to bring a raincoat. I have my raincoat over here and an umbrella. You'll thank yourself for that.
Stengade og Æblinge, du ser.
Ja, den har vi fra Farvåglig. Ej, hvor er det bare noget regnvejr i dag, hva'?
Ja, vi skal gå på langt.
Skat. Men du må holde i vandpytterne. Hvad så, Oscar? Man kan næsten ikke se ham. What you doing, boy? Hvad sker der? I'm trapped. I look so tired. I went for a workout earlier today, and now we're working in the garden. So we're back home from Copenhagen, and we're still working on the wooden deck, the terrace, and the rest of the garden still looks like, I don't know, construction site. Eden, currently just working. This is like the situation. I've got myself a blanc as well. This is my favorite beer because after all it is still summer holiday. So that's the plan of action for the rest of the evening. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little summer vlog. I'm gonna wrap up the whole thing now. I will gather up some Copenhagen tips in the description box down below. And yeah, take care. Enjoy the rest of the summer. Bye!